Personal finance terms. Everyone should know budget. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you see how much money you have coming in, your income, and how much is going out, your expenses. Think of it as a roadmap that shows where your money should go every month, like rent, food, bills, and fun stuff. When you follow a budget, you're more likely to avoid overspending and save more. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is money you set aside just in case something unexpected happens, like losing your job, getting sick, or your car breaking down. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts like a safety net so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans during tough times. Credit score. Your credit score is a number that shows how trustworthy you are with borrowing money. The higher the score, the better. A good credit score helps you get approved for loans, credit cards, or even renting an apartment. Paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and not opening too many new accounts can help improve your score. Interest rate. An interest rate is the cost of borrowing money, or the reward for saving it. If you take out a loan, the bank charges you interest. If you put money in a savings account, the bank might pay you interest. Always pay attention to the interest rate when borrowing or saving. Lower rates are better when you're borrowing, and higher rates are better when you're saving. Investing. Investing means using your money to make more money over time. Instead of just saving, you buy things like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds that can grow in value. Investing can help you build wealth and reach long-term goals like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Just remember, investing always comes with some risk, so it's important to learn and start small. Conclusion. Understanding these basic personal finance terms, budget, emergency fund, credit score, interest rate, and investing, can really help you take control of your money. The more you know, the better your financial decisions will be. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. Ask ChatGPT.